Hello, first grade. We are finishing up with our superheroes today, which I am so excited about. So the things that you'll need for today, your background paper that you worked on last week, the paper with your superhero on it, along with a glue stick and scissors. If by any chance you need to finish coloring your superhero, that's fine. You can definitely work on that as well. So I'm going to move my background paper and the glue stick off to the side. The first thing I'm going to do is cut my superhero out from the background paper. So we want to cut off all of the white space. So depending on what you have drawn, you might need to be careful. Like I'll need to be careful right here where the ponytail is very close to the shoulder, just to cut around it. For those of you who have the space in between your superhero's arm and body, that's white, that you'll want to cut it out. What I'm actually going to do is cut right up here, actually separate the hand from the body. We're going to be gluing these down onto the background paper, which means it's okay if we cut those two apart just to make this part easier. So I'm going to go ahead and cut mine out and we'll check back in just a moment. Okay, so I've cut my superhero out. This is what I was talking about. I cut that part off just so I could get the space in between the arm and the body. Okay, so now that I have that cut off, I am going to move my scissors off to the side. I'm going to get my background paper and also my glue stick. All right, so this is what's gonna happen. You are going to put your superhero down on the paper right in the middle like this. And how awesome does that look with all of those great lines and colors coming out from behind your superhero? So I am going to flip my superhero over, get some glue down on the back. Make sure, especially if you have little like any little pieces, like where I have the ponytail, make sure that you get some glue on those so that it sits down nice and flat. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit there in the middle. Set that off to the side in case I need it again. All right, now I know this is a little bit big, so you wanna be careful. Make sure that the head is on the paper. Make sure the feet are on the paper. Stick it down. Press it down with your hands. All right, I might need a little bit of glue here on the cape, but otherwise you are all done. I bet your superheroes look amazing. I am so incredibly excited to see how they turned out. Great job, everybody.